I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying support. Make sure your device and keyboard app include handwriting recognition. Once done, open Settings, then System or General Management, and tap Language and Input. From there, select the keyboard or on-screen keyboard entry to view available input methods. You want to reach the keyboard app settings screen. This is where you'll switch modes. Next, tap the keyboard's name to open Preferences. Make sure you have any handwriting module installed, so the next steps are available to you. You now enable handwriting. Find the handwriting input toggle inside the keyboard's preferences and switch it on. If the keyboard prompts for a language pack or stroke library, download only the languages you need to save space. Once enabled, customize recognition language, input area size, and stroke sensitivity. These affect accuracy. Change the layout to full screen or floating if you prefer, and set gestures like backspace or undo. Make small adjustments, test a few words, and iterate until recognition matches your handwriting style. You finish by switching to the keyboard in any text field and selecting handwriting mode. This verifies the change in real use. Test writing common words, punctuation, and gestures to ensure recognition handles your style. Adjust sensitivity if letters merge or break apart. If accuracy is poor, clear the keyboard cache, retrain the handwriting model if the app offers training, or reinstall the keyboard app. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the device after major setting changes. Often that resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.